Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Glenda, your accounting coach. So, I want to continue the conversation regarding what is FP&A. So, as we said before, FP&A stands for Financial Planning and Analysis. So, you don't hear that term a lot in the small business and nonprofit sector, but a lot of us actually perform those tasks. We may not know it, but this is actually tasks that we actually do or we need, and we just do not know how to communicate that to our current accountant or some or anyone, so we can explain like actually what we need and what we need for particularly for our business to grow. So if you remember, financial planning and analysis is actually looking forward, is looking at the money spent, the money that is going to be earned in the future. How's that going to be spent? What is your business going to look like in the future? So today I want to talk about three important FP&A tasks that you should be performing. So number one, you need to determine what product or service generates the most revenue. You'll be surprised many businesses cannot do that. And so that of course goes back to the bookkeeping. You need an accounting software, or if you're using Excel, you need to track your numbers. You need to track revenue. So that is definitely number one. You want to know what product or service generates the most revenue, so actually you can keep that going. Then number two, you want to compare past results to your current budget and current forecast. A lot of times businesses, once a new year starts, okay, they're just looking forward, but they don't go back and say, okay, what happened last year? Here's my budget, and explain the difference. So you need to do that analysis, and they call that variance analysis. So once again, you go back and look at previous years or previous quarters or months, and you can compare it to the current budget, current month, and say, okay, what's the difference? Why is there, a certain lag, or why is there an increase? Be able to explain that. And then lastly, you need to do internal reports. A lot of times people feel like once I sign up with an accounting software, I just need to utilize those reports. But as your business starts to grow, you're going to need internal reports. So for instance, you may be a particular business that performs a service base, and you have a particular contract, you perform that service, but maybe you want to know, okay, if clients ask me to do additional projects, you want to track those projects. You want to know, okay, what additional work am I adding on, and how much is that costing? So that is like an internal thing that you would do. You would want to track that internally. Also, too, a lot of businesses and nonprofits, they operate on a cash basis. So you may have cash base internal, but external, it may be accrual based. So you'll also have those different types of internal reports. So once again, this really gets down to you need someone who can come along beside you and help you and just educate you. I would say educate you about, okay, what are the different options? What are we looking at? Helping you explain the numbers and really just being a sounding board. A lot of times we just need someone to talk to, talk it out. Then that person can ask some questions, and that usually gets the conversation going. And then you'll be more at ease, and then solutions will start to come. So if you feel that you're in that situation now where you need an accounting professional just to be that sounding board, you know what, contact us. You can direct message me, and we can set up a free consultation and see how we can help you. Once again, make sure you share, you like, and you subscribe to our YouTube channel so to receive notifications when we go live. Have a good one.